Hello.
What are you? How are you?
Mm, I am so good. I am so fun. I'm so happy. I am so happy today because it's your brother. Your brother is right there. Okay, I'm so happy, Duke. How about you, Duke? How are you today?
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. That's so great to hear. Why are you so happy, Duke?
I'm happy because
Cause
I play game with friend.
you are very happy because you played a game with your friend. What game was it?
Uh I have game is run.
What game did you play?
I play I play football,
Mm-hmm.
badminton.
You played football. Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, I see. You played football, honey. All right. That is great to hear, honey. Anyway, wait for a while, my dear. Have you eaten dinner already? Have you already eaten dinner? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat the is Gina is tofu.
Mm-hmm. You
I
didn't eat?
eat a I eat a meat tofu.
Meat. Tofu?
Yes,
Tofu. I see. Tofu. Okay, okay, okay. Anyway,
tofu.
ah, tofu and meat?
The tofu is Gina.
Chinese food. Chinese food, honey. Yeah?
I have a
Mm.
meat, meat, vegetable
Uh,
and rice.
yeah. Tofu. Yeah, it is tofu, honey. The Chinese food. It is from China, right? Yeah, from China. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen. Okay, we are now going to have our new material, okay? Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Teacher's now going to share the screen. Wait for a while, honey. Okay. Let's go to our screen, our lesson now. Okay. So last time, look, we had lesson number 4, and now we're going to have. And no, last time, honey. Yesterday we had lesson 3. Now we are going to have lesson 4. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So let's have now this. Oh, what is this? Okay, 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 okay. All right, this is still about my home, honey. And for this one, by the end of this lesson, look, you will be able to talk about the things in a house and review the prepositions of places. Are you ready, Duke?
Yes.
You say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the next page. Okay, let's have this review, honey. What is this? Where is the bird?
On,
The bird is
on, on.
the.
The bird is on the bus.
Very good. Now, where's the bird?
The bus is on under the bus.
Very good. Okay. The bird is under the box. Next one. How about this?
The bird is next to the bus.
Very good. Next. Where's the bird?
The bird is in the bus.
Very good. This. Where's the bird again?
The bird is on the bus.
Very good. Let's have this one, honey. How about this? What is this in the picture, honey? What
The
is
apple is on the table.
very good? The apple is on the table. Okay, next. Where's extra? Where is
The
extra?
extra is under the table and next to the chair.
Oh, extra need. You don't need to add the, honey, okay? I mean, you don't need to put the in the beginning of the sentence, honey, because extra is a robot or let's say it's a person. So, let's say extra is
Extra is under the table.
very good. Next. Where's extra?
Extra is next to the bed.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Yes. Next, where's the bed? Where's the bed?
The bed is next to the bookcase.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, where is the pencil?
The pencil is in the bag, school bag.
Very good. Okay, let's have this one. Let's draw. Where is the ball? Where
The
is?
ball is next to the television.
Very good. The ball is next to the television. Let's
Vision.
see. Next to the TV or the television, honey. That's correct. Now it is time to learn. We have 4 pictures here, honey, and let's see if you know all of these pictures. Let's start with the very first one. Okay, what is the first one, honey? What is the
Here's
first one?
sofa. It's a
It's a,
sofa.
you have to describe the color
Sofa.
too. It's a yellow.
It's a yellow sofa.
Very good. It's a yellow sofa. And how about the second one? What do you think is that?
It's a lamp. It's a red lamp.
Okay, all right. How about the third one? Let's go to the third one. My dear duck, what is that?
This is a cupboard.
Okay, all right. Let's have the next one. The last one. What do you think is that?
It's a mirror.
Okay, that one is a mirror. Honey, do you have hold on. Do you have a sofa, honey? Do you have a
Yes,
sofa?
I have. I have. Yes, I have.
Yes. Where is your sofa now? Where is your
Uh,
sofa now?
the sofa is next to the table.
Yes, the sofa is next to the table. What's the color of your sofa?
Is gray.
Oh, very good. It's gray. Me, I don't have a sofa, honey. I don't have a sofa. I wish to have a sofa. Okay, next. How about a lamp? Do you have a lamp, honey?
Yes, I have.
You have a lamp. I see. That's really great to hear. Are you using a lamp right now? Oh, that's a lamp?
Yes.
Wow. Can you turn it on? Where's the light?
It's a cheese.
Can you turn it on?
It's a cheese.
Ah, okay, okay. It's trees inside. There are trees inside. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the third one. Do you have something like this?
Cupboard. Yes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have a cupboard.
Mm-hmm. Where?
One cupboard in the desk.
Mm-hmm.
One cupboard a living room, and one cupboard a bedroom.
Oh, that is it. How about
I my house here. I have a five cupboard.
Mm-hmm. You have 5?
It's one cupboard is the closest. One cupboard is the desk.
Mm-hmm.
The one cupboard is the living room, and one cupboard is black.
Ah,
Mold.
really? You have a lot of
Yes.
cupboard. You have a lot.
Yes.
You have a lot of cupboard. Me?
Yes.
I think I only have one cupboard, honey. I think. Yeah. No, I don't have a cupboard. I don't have. Okay, anyway, let's reveal. Yes, all your answers, honey, are correct. Let's have the first one. The first one is
A
sofa.
very good. What do you do in the sofa, honey?
I sit in the sofa.
Very good. Can we lay down in the sofa? Can we lay down there? Like, can we sleep in the sofa?
Yes.
Yeah, we can sleep there. I see. Okay, that's really great, honey. Now, let's have the next one. We have the next one, which is
A lamp.
A lamp.
when do we use the lamp, Duke? When do we use the lamp?
I have do my homework.
You say, I use my lamp. Can you say that?
I use my lamp. I read a book and I do my homework.
Very good. That is it, honey. I use my lamp when I read a book and when I do my homework. Very good. Now let's move forward to the next one.
A cupboard.
The
A
cupboard.
cupboard.
What is the use of a cupboard, honey? How do we use it?
Many
Mhm.
toys.
Mhm.
Many toys.
Mhm.
Many toys.
You say I put a lot of toys in the cupboard.
I put a toys in the cupboard.
Toys in the cupboard. Can you say it again one more time, honey?
I put a lot of toys in the cupboard.
Very good. And lastly, we have this. We have
A mirror.
A mirror.
Yes. Now, honey, when do you use a mirror? And why do we use mirror, honey? Why do we use it? Why do we use a mirror? Why is it? Because okay. Do you want me to translate? Duck? Why
Yes.
do we need to use a mirror? Here.
Tại sao chúng ta cần dùng gương?
I don't know.
Okay, we use a mirror
My house
Chúng
is
tôi
3 mirror.
You say there are 3 mirrors in my house. Can you say that? There are 3
There
mirrors.
are 3 mirrors in my house.
Very good. There are 3 mirrors in my house. That is it, honey. All right. So let's move forward now to the next page. The first one, honey, is a
sofa, a lamp, a cupboard, a mirror.
Very good. Okay. Next one. We have the next one, number 2. You're done, honey.
A lamp.
A lamp. And then the third one,
A cupboard.
a cupboard. And then the fourth one,
a mirror.
Very good. A mirror. That is it. That's correct. Now, let's have this one. What is this one, honey? Please read.
A lamp.
A lamp. Yes, this one is a lamp. The second one, what is this?
A cupboard.
Yes, this is a cupboard. How about the third one? The third one is
A mirror.
okay, a mirror. And then how about this one? What is
A
this?
sofa.
Very good, a sofa. This one,
A lamp.
okay, that one is a lamp. Oh, now, okay, now, honey, we're going to put a tick. If it's okay, you're going to put a tick or a cross, honey. Okay, please read number one, Duke. Kindly read number one, my dear.
This is
Number
a lamp.
one. Okay,
This is
put
a
a tick.
lamp.
Put a tick or a cross. Yes. Number two, please read number two.
This is a mirror. Cross.
Very good. Okay.
This is a cupboard. Cross. This is a sofa. Yes. Tick.
Very good. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Let's see if you got the right one. Number one, very good. This is a lamp. Number two, this is not a mirror. It's a cupboard. Number three, what is it, honey?
Cupboard. A mirror.
It's a mirror, not a cupboard. Can you say that?
This
It's
is
a
a
mirror,
mirror. It's
not
a mirror.
cupboard.
It's not a cupboard.
Very good. Number four is a tick. This is a sofa.
Sofa.
Very good. Okay, now, honey, you have to complete the words. Write the words. Write the words, my dear.
Sofa.
Okay. S-O-F.
SOFA.
Very good. Next one, we have what is this? Spell it. Spell it, my dear. Spell it, spell it, spell it.
Here.
Okay. What is it? L-A?
LAMPE.
Very
MP.
good. It is what is it again?
Lamp. The
Very
lamp.
good. Yes, it is a lamp. Great job. Okay, next one. This one, you have to complete this. Please write, honey. Write the correct answer.
It's here.
Very good. It's a mirror.
Mirror.
Yay. Very good. This one is a mirror, honey. Great job. Now, write the correct answer too. Okay, very good, honey. Great job. Okay, now let's listen and then repeat. Duke, you ready, Duke? Let's
Yes.
go, Duke.
Is the sofa next to the cupboard?
Is this a sofa next to the cupboard?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Is the lamp next to the cupboard?
Is a lamp next to the cupboard? No,
No,
it
it isn't.
Very good. Okay, now again, let's read, honey.
Is the sofa next to the cupboard? Yes, it is. Is the lamp next to the cupboard? No, it isn't.
Very good. Okay. Okay, this will be the structure, honey. Again, please read the structure for the third time.
Is the
Can you read?
sofa next to the cupboard? Yes, it is. Is the lamp next to the cupboard? No, it isn't.
It isn't. Okay, for the usage, honey, it is to ask and answer about the location of things in a house. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Let's go to the next one, honey. Now, let's have, okay, honey, you have to match and color. Match and then color. Match and then put a color.
Ghép màu rồi tô màu.
Whoa. Oh.
Here.
Very good. Okay, you match, honey. You match. You have to match. Okay, very good. Now let's have number one. Please read number one, Duke. It's a yellow.
It's a yellow lamp.
Very
It's a
good
blue
too.
sofa.
Three.
It's a blue sofa. It's a board.
Three.
It's a
Red.
cupboard, and
Very good. Four.
it's
It's an.
a It's an orange mirror.
Yes, it's an orange mirror. Now, let's have this one, honey. Please read this one, my dear.
Is the lamp on the cupboard? Yes, it is.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward. Let's have this. Is the lamp on the cupboard?
No, it isn't.
Again, is the lamp on the cupboard? Look.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. This is the lamp. This is the cupboard. The lamp is on the cupboard. Okay. Next one. Is the book on the cupboard? In the cupboard?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Is the mirror on the table?
No, it isn't.
Where is the mirror?
The mirror is next to the table. It's
Uh,
in front of the table and it's
le-
between the sofa and armchair and
Wow!
next to the sofa.
Uh-huh. Wow! Very good. Oh, what is this? What is this? Okay. All right, let's have the next one, honey. Is the school bag under the sofa?
Yes, it is.
Okay, under the sofa? Yes. Yes, it is, right, honey? It's under the sofa. No. No, my dear. Is this a sofa? Honey, is this a sofa?
Yes.
No, it's an armchair. We both forgot. Honey. Teacher forgot too. This is an armchair, not a sofa. Okay. Next one. Is the armchair next to the table?
Yeah.
Is the armchair next to the table?
Yes. No.
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
yes.
Because this is the table. This is the armchair. Okay, next. Here, honey, you have to ask a question.
Ah.
Ask a question now. Go. What's your question? Is the
mirror on the cupboard?
Very good. What's the answer?
Yes, this is.
Very good. Okay. Next. How about the question for this one, Duke? What's the question for this one? Duke.
Is the book under the sofa? No. No, it isn't. It's under the bed.
Yes, very good, honey. That is it. Next.
Is a lamp on the bookcase? Yes, it is.
Very good. But anyway, honey, we are just going to continue this material next week, this coming Tuesday, because we don't have enough time anymore. Thank you so much, Duke, for your time. You did so well today, Duke. You just have to improve your pronunciation, okay, honey? But you did so well. Bye-bye, Duke.
Goodbye, teacher.